Hello everybody, I am here with my girlfriend Alicia and we are going to show you how to do beach waves. So her hair is clean, I blew it dry, I didn't take any time to make it smooth, I just rough dried it. If your hair is curly, again, you don't have to make it smooth because we are going to curl it. So I'm going to part it. As you can see, I'm parting kind of down. It doesn't have to be perfect, right? I'm going to leave out the bangs. And this is how you can do it on yourself and or a friend. And I'm going to take about a triangle 3-inch section. Having it thick is fine with a beach wave style. I have the curve flat iron, which we sell. It's only $98, but this is good for curling short hair. So I'm gonna put it in the flat iron, keep it in the hot part, rotate it all the way around, and now notice I'm pulling out, not down. Then I will reinforce it with my finger. Voila. So now I'm taking section number 2. We're gonna put it in the flat iron, keep it in the hot part, pull it out slow, and then reinforce it with our finger. When you're going from the behind the ear and forward, so this section, always go away from your face, please. If you go forward, it doesn't look good. It's very like Little House on the Prairie. So now I'm dividing the top and the bottom into 2 sections. Just a quick spin and a reinforcement. If something like this occurs, just take the flat iron and only hit that part. Take the top half, smooth it out, curl, keep it in the flat iron, reinforce with the finger. So if you just want to watch the whole thing and do it on fast. Once you hit the back, you can go this way or that way. It doesn't matter, whatever is easier for you. Again, I'm taking triangle chunks.
When you reinforce, do you go with the curl? Or?
Yeah, of course. I'll say that.
Because, yeah, dumb like me right now.
So I want you to take note that you will reinforce the same way you did the curl. And what that does is it allows your finger, I'll show you. So this is if I don't reinforce it. Right. But because it's hot, you can use your finger to spin it and let it set. I have the flat iron on $3.95. If you're doing this at home and you're not good at it, I would recommend no higher than $3.55. So not $3.95, $3.55. Again, you can see I'm separating the top and the bottom, reinforcing, triangle slices, going up or out, reinforcing, leaving out the front. Another thing I want to make note is when you're making your triangle at home by yourself, just go thick to thin and make sure you're stacking and you're not going straight across because that turns into like prom dance curls. So you want to, that's why I cut it down like this when I parted it, so it has different laying and different dimension. Now I'm going to go up for volume and reinforce. You can see the outcome. I'm just letting it all set. When doing beach waves, you want to do a little bit more of an over curl. And then we'll toss it out at the end. most important part is the front. For Alicia, I'm gonna pull it forward and then curl away from her face. Again, reinforce. If it does something like this, you can just pop it up a little bit up there and get that curl depending on what you like. But I'm gonna give her the curl. I wanna show you another technique too. You can cut the bang in half and you can flatten it out here or puff it up for some volume. And just make sure you curl away from the face. And take the top, do the same. Give it a little bit of oomph. And then you curl away from the face. You don't want it to be like ringlet curl. So while this finish is setting, I'm gonna puff up the root and I'm just gonna flat iron it. This is gonna give the root some body. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can redo it. Sometimes I pull this way. Remember, they're beach waves, so they're supposed to be messy and pretty. I will show the model. Difference, right? Okay, so now that it's all set, your root's lifted. I'm going to be grabbing a cream gel product. It's about this much. Rub it in your hands really good. And then just start to shake out the hair. Pull it to your fingertips. Shake it out. And you could use the remainder to just kind of calm down any flyaways. And there we go. Full 360.